Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to get your Chime bank statement step by step. First, open your Chime app and log in to your account. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Tap the gear icon on the top left corner. This will take you to your settings. Scroll all the way down until you see the Documents option, then tap on it. Now, select Account Statements. Here, Chime organizes all your statements by month. So it's super easy to find what you need. Choose the month and year you want to view. You can open it as a PDF, download it, or share it directly from the app. Perfect if you need it for loans, proof of income, or taxes. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Chime bank statements right from your phone. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.